ꯍꯥꯎꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯎ Hi ma'am, ma'am ngasi video si di kanu tawe bako ngasi se 13 August ne ba aduna Silong da su lay akhoi Silong da lay ba maitei ge punjala karna ngasi se 13 August taw ne na haidi maitei ge lay dana sum punjala ga organization gumba semba moina ngasi se admaina tawne na langi buko adugi akhoi se yauru ge tawrine yum natraga su adumba haidi 13 August di yamna akhoi maitei gi da di yamna maru oidana ko aduna akhoi su yawba jat ke tawine akhoi se duty di lay buko evening da aiga che ani maga chatlani sidagi atai su loi laktoine ko aduga aduda loi pundoine ba nasai gi tawdoi mafam sida ado akhoi humam di chatminarani sidagi aduga akhoi se halaga duty so amuk chattoine ba aduna hoji chatlaga hapa ge akhoi ke program tawi adagi kai haidi mafam du da program khara di dum tawdoini dana ko aduna adum hapa ge chatpagi lambi du ju haidi aina sum ngasi ge video de sum memory oi hauna ba aina Silong da lakpadagi ahan bane ba aina 13 August yaudoi se ngasi handaki chahi sina ahan ba oidoine ba adugi sum aisu chatlaga kai tawge habdo khangdri buko aduga chatlaga yengure ado aise dress haidi dress aina yumdai su phajana pura haudre bas maina function gumba tawni khotni khangdabanina ado che amana chena budi pibire dress haidi akhoi anamna phane pungau haidi angau ba adumba setnai dana ko 13 August gumba gi chatpadadi ado chena phane amga phi amga pibire sidum illaga chatlani aidi aigi dress to haidi aidi yumdai su pura haudabani na ba dress ki ji kaishu kaide ko maru aidi participate tawbadune aduna ai kisu khande adum si setlaga dum chatlani aduga horen yaurakanda chatpa gai lambi aisu khangde ba mukta kayam lapke habdo chatrimna ado horen chatlakanda hapa age chatpagi dusu aina set to phi jasi laire to sisine ba chena pibire dum siga fi siga dum illaga yalaga hadi fi dress to kono tawdresu kaisu kaide breakfast ge ai breakfast ngasi di champut oina tawra hadi chamba ju khara chalina dum thitang chara dum chatlaga ngasi di de ai le jam ta ising ka sa lima pan dalam ito bisa yung lakre function se haudore bako ando video do ai mate dum kai tawge habado hapake yam sangna de hapa aroi hadi pung ani hongi function ni yam sangani ba video se dudi yeminar se manipur di halakre hoi je ngasi suti lo ba hoi je
ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯦꯗ ꯆꯥꯃꯔꯛ ꯁꯤꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯅꯇꯝꯕꯥꯛꯇ ꯆꯥꯃꯔꯛ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯦꯗ
ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯆꯤꯔꯣꯝ ꯀꯃꯜꯖꯤꯠ
ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛ ꯚꯦꯂꯦꯟꯇꯤꯅꯥ ꯑꯥꯔ.ꯀꯦ. ꯃꯥꯏꯕꯝ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯏꯀꯣꯛꯅꯣꯅ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯥꯒꯁꯠꯀꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 16 ꯏꯪ 2023 ꯊꯋꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯄꯥꯟꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ 119 ꯁꯨꯕ ꯄꯦꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯣꯠꯁ ꯗꯦ ꯃꯔꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯦꯜꯗꯔꯁ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯣꯔꯁꯤꯌꯝ ꯁꯤꯂꯣꯡꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and fellow patriots, it is with profound honor and deep pride that we stand here today before you as we gather to celebrate the indomitable spirit of our great state Manipur. On this momentous occasion of 133rd Patriots Day, Athoba Singin Numit, we are not merely commemorating the pages of history, but we are also renewing our collective vow to uphold the values and ideals that our forebears so valiantly defended.
Manipurda nattana Bharati Puwarida mayek lana iduna lehorgadaba August tang 16 ing 1993 Yuvraj Tikendrajit amasung Thangal General Anibu Britishna Thauri yanduna haki Makoi anida nattana ima leibaki damak lepkhiba marewak ningba makoi sing adubu ngasi aikoina ningsingi.
On this history day of 13th August, back then in 1891, Yuvraj Bir Tikendrajit and Thangal General were hanged by British Empire as they fought against the mighty empire's colonization. Which he clearly refused and was subsequently executed.
Laikatpagi thoram chathajaringaisida matamgi khongleisi haujan khibana akoi gi thoram asi loisandabusu yadabanina lemhoriba ichil inausing makha tarakada ona adum lei kat sadasu yai kat pirasu yai the hojiki oina di program makha sathajarake mathangda MECS ki chief advisor oibiriba oza mangsatavam iboy ama maitaina mayambo taramno upugi wa
Samaga kuntra hundo suba atau basingi ningsing numit August ki tarik tara hundo ay gamari laydana dengbi raktiba loina sumtin jaraga lai guru ahlaman imaibel fampubiri basing state amadi central loisang singda thau pubiriba pubiribi mahi loisang singda ozagi thau pubiriba amadi pubiribi amadi mairoi sing yapun baluk amasung mairoi sing sirmit longa mari leinana amadi kunda leita aduna leibiraba kayabu nongluk chari amadi thagat chari soibadagi chitha ngamthaba yauragasu ngatbigani
amasuni lengko piraksi inau premkanta penagi yakai ro na thupinaba.
Dear all, please give them a round of applause, a big one.
Can we have the technicians to please give a mic in the center?
Coming together, we reaffirm our dedication to building a Manipur that respects its past, address its present challenges, and looks forward to prosperous future. Further to add on, Laipung Famba, as a part of this event, serves as an important platform for discussions about the ongoing social issues, our rich cultural heritage, and other relevant topics pertaining to the state of Manipur. It is a space where we can reflect our past, address our present challenges, and
Incites the spirit of patriotism in the audience. Kongjom Parba is a traditional musical art from Manipur that commemorates the Anglo-Manipur War of 1891. The art form was said to have been founded by a man named Dhobi Leno, who witnessed the Battle of Kongjom in 1891 on April 23rd.
Mayam Uzabudagi Kongjom Lan Gimatang de Saitava Kongjom Parva Taminarasi.
To songs
I request our special guest, Madam Anita Nongklau and Sir BCG Marbanyang to come up on the stage.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯩꯁꯛꯄ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯑꯦꯜ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃꯃꯝꯇꯪ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯝꯀꯥꯟꯇ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯣꯝ ꯄꯔꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯩꯁꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯕꯨද්ධ
Our very respected social worker, a gem of a person, Madam Anita Nongklau. Another gem of a person whom I truly believe is my own father, Sir BCG Marbanyang. Thank you so much for being here.
Bongi report ama thambigani election biraksi Dr. Rocky Beba
ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯏꯆꯜ ꯏꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯅꯧꯅ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯍꯥꯀꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯒꯁꯠꯀꯤ ꯊꯥ ꯗꯒꯤꯅ ꯀꯨꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯒꯁꯠꯀꯤ ꯊꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯑꯦꯜꯗꯔꯁ ꯀꯟꯁꯣꯔꯁꯤꯌꯝ ꯁꯤꯂꯣꯡꯅ ꯂꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯀꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯖꯨꯂꯥꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯋꯥꯏꯗ MECS ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯂꯣꯡ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯗ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯔꯩꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯋꯥꯇꯥꯅꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯐꯥꯎꯗꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯇꯤꯟꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ MECS ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯂꯨꯞꯁ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯨꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯍꯦꯔꯤꯇꯦꯖ ꯁꯛ ꯇꯥꯛꯅꯕ ꯃꯤꯇꯣꯞꯇ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯁ ꯀꯥꯁꯤ ꯍꯤꯜꯁ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯦꯝꯖꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝ ꯊꯝꯖꯈꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯖꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯂꯣꯡꯒꯤ IGP ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ Old Saraswati Compound Manipur Memorial ꯀꯧꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯂꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ 1891ꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯂꯣ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯋꯥꯔ ꯍꯧꯔꯝꯗꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯞꯇꯥ ꯈꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯅꯣꯡꯒꯥꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯔ.
Dear everyone, a big round of applause. They have been practicing this Lebang Ningbe Isai for quite some time. Let's give a big round of applause and give them the energy to perform the best.
Guru Prayagi Kunda imagi matsa oiduna oirei sana leibak sida si jage yek salagi leikol sida oksage jage si jage wat pada balamdam sida wat pada balamdam sida lamdam sida Manipur ko bi imani singlol mapalna masilibi Manipur ko bi imani singlol mapalna masilibi singmi tamigi homram famni puruk kayagi kunda famni jagoi sai sana bana sabbu takpanam neni Manipur, 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 Manipur.
Manipur Imana!
Hagatsari Shillongda Mahi Masing Tamduna Lairiba Icha Mathangda Kokatsari Umara of Naurem Jugeshwar of Hillcrest Secondary School, Shillong, who is hereby awarded the certificate and memento in recognition of her securing 16th rank in the Meghalaya Board of School Education Exam 2024. Umarani Naurem Lekat Mirakse. Umarani gi maut sinduna Umarani gi mamana mesigi mana asilobi gani. Oza Bipin na hariba mana asil bibi na manik sing jare.
Next, Ms. Sonali Yenkom, Doctor of Yenkom Surchan Singh of Hillcrest Secondary School, Shillong, hereby awarded this certificate and a memento in recognition of her securing 18th rank in Meghalaya Board of School Education 2024. For this, I request our Chief Advisor, Ozai Boyama, to facilitate.
Umarani di masa-masa laktuna mana asilobiri aduna mahaki damakta choba kuba amata kubisi.
All the best for your future.
Tungi oiba tabak thoram da sumai pak boisanu Umarani. Mathangda Kokatsari Wangamba Konjengbam, son of Professor Konjengbam Noren Singh of Kendriya Vidyalaya, Nepa, Umiam, who is hereby awarded the certificate in recognition of his securing second rank among the KV schools under Silchar Regional Office in the CBAC AIS SCE Class 12, 2024. Award is CPB Naba as a President Nikhauza Monista Nolukchari. Masa laktuna mana asilobiri mahaki damakta ahoba kuba amata kubisi.
All the best for your future endeavor. Next we have Ms. Shivani Asem, daughter of Asem Bipin Meitei, our own advisor of MECS. She is awarded a certificate and a memento in recognition of her winning the Under-13 Girls Singles during the 8th East Khasi Hills District Open Badminton Championship 2024, held at Jen Indoor Stadium at Polo, Shillong. I request none other than her own father, our own advisor, Oza Bipin, to hand over the award to his daughter. A big round of applause, everyone. The perfect parent, the perfect daughter.
Mathangda Kausinjari Clarissa Puyam, daughter of Kharibam Vidya Lakshmi of B.K. Bazoria School, Shillong, who is hereby awarded the certificate and memento in recognition of her winning a bronze medal in the sub-junior category at the 29th State Level Karate Championship 2023 Meghalaya. Mana si akoigi advisor Oja Ibo Yamin of Bibina Banik Singh Jari.
Mathang asidi akoigi poem recitation gi online competition
Mathang asidi MECH na sinduna online da laibang ning bagi sareng sedin na bagi maruin angang sigi haitara school tamli babogi amasin ki maduda makong mathang tarakosing da mana pijagani.
I call upon stage Mr. Mitoiba Maibam, Ms. Shivani Ashim, Mr. Mihin Maibam, and Ms. Maisna Mangalema to come up on stage and collect your prizes. No, sir.
Akoigi Oja Singh na amamam Bibina Banik Singh Jari.
Miss Mangalay Magi
Parents.
parents sing natragana mama samo yaw biraktraga so nigrim say kananong amana oh okay okay parent lang mine
Ichan Mangalay magi oina ichan igi guardian na manalo biri. Thagachari Oja President amadi
Thank you.
MSCS ki advisor sing bu.
thank you so much
Mathang da
August ki tang tarong doi Patriots Day Samaga kontrong doi Shuba numit asida Lengbiraki ba Oja Lai Guru Singh Satra Satri Singh Imai Ben Singh Satra Kwai Kibi ko ahan ba magtada ayang na ngak nonjari ikai kun na bolchari Loina na ngasigi special day athoba singi ningsing namit asida isagi silaba matong kaitok piraga ekoigi Norman days oiba namit asida mayang na lingpirapagidamagta aina yamna thawai kubang changjau taralo naraga ikai kunna mo chari sutaraki imom nang kadai da leibage imom langlen imagi ima langlen imagi imom khonjel kaya amana hato laraki jat labai jaya tan bagi khonjel na Mariam Batunaki Mamom Baby Conteldi Tana Aduma Tana Credo Fantam Yaina Totzava Imana Kadai Galu Imom Laglin Hak Kadai Galu Imom Miraisa Mitambal Sain Zao Singi Maputa Kudum San
bagi thabab se tawi ana Oja ki sari hamuk taminals.
please enjoy
Masih atau masih kiting sing sida lengbi rakiba Oja Lai Guru ipa ikal ima ibel isi mindol bar papa isi lina usul isi saat bai kibiku kurum jari kege moirang ipa ta Hanna yang mana mudraba, magi dapat haidana, tumit thawba paidraba, kige sara oiraba, moirang lamja tarba, khamba khamnu kaubadi machin mokwa ani ni wa khre khamba ngasidi masiam du idamakta masiam khamnu yengduna khamba mana hairani palem sakti siam hal siam kora roige ima aina mirol khangringai wabi rakle imana laikai khosulan bana khuba marol burakle lawai phogal bana lawai koire parakle khuman nei bu yokpada ima sakti siam hal ai pangal saure do isiam gi nahut sillage khamba aina satlaga kege ina khunbada shilang lage ai hakna isiam amu yok lage je kari haibage yabiu ba imana sida masir khupani ko iduni to kaidagi kege moirang lai wakta konthong ngani landriba nungyai nangna karamna kadai silanguni sisu lairama isiam panbu paningde haida sisu kadai no khamba nangi damakni karam puthokla sige nangu moirang mamang sida sanu ningol kayani namana balakhani lamja oibanan gidi nungyai kana leite do nasi moibi ainadi nuja pangal oibana khuman haina natundi ilubadi ngamoido samu heragum laba nungyai nangi natamni kege mirak tilurabanina sanbi basu yaugani tathi basu lakani sathokanui mo thokhaninde siam khuman matam lakhini palem panthau anina pithok lamde siambu angom phairoi jamada moirang shawba nong thomba angom mayum asida nasi maina satlaga matam du dai mo shaba marang kai gani setpana ning thungani nungyai nabuk asoba thalle thanna sakisi nong phadok thandaba khuman shumma khangkisi waramasi aiduna maduni tau khamjelle serai segai badi amatang buin khatle numit khuding dogum laikai untong khuding da niru rage haiduna satke to masiam du lai bidi mabukta mon khala pakhang mabuk shawbagi than khidraboi pakhang mana suraga khitti yamna thokani duga chaba marang kai gani idu ning tho nabukta khallaboi o ningkre lamja lai bidu misna thambal man bidu tarang lai je ihore wa pando lom jeki khamba mana khanbadi itop top amani kana gumba amana nungsibiba kanana lamja masi madubu yengam daba oibagi khamba nangu silangun nasiema siware do haibir ko yoy khamba mana ikai ke laikai wafam sidagi haijabani masiamda awai bamaksu yengamdre nura lamja khambudo afabadi lofam da wahi marulingugum khamba masiam pothara shanu masiam yoke ningkre lamja masiam lai biduna laikai khuding chatpagum shalam dai da kham khare khamba masiam khamu ingan ngai khamnu do iduni to ingo hai no isiam chat sege nang na karam silangba hai na ni khamuna ingan ngai khamba do khamba makul lonare mitta pibuta duna pale misiam bibe ma lamja isiam lai bi nang na koi na niruba phangbaduna saregi phangbaduna selagi naduni thawai hangna iningi kha tawduna sima sage sima hautte haijarakte ngasi bo ngasi numit asida aina pamba matadi nijage ne isiamda pibiyu ba isiena haijari niragle ko damachen hai ibungo hayu hayu isiamda nungyai kari pamba ge haijari mo kwada wata pada masembu khamba makul lonare ngakta phibu yetuna palem isiam bema palem panthau ani na naduni thau ai gidi sarai mache amata su thambiram de leitere Hairoi jamba ibaida khamba ina iranna thilloi dore isim angom magi maranna luhong badi naduni thok tawingti wahi asita bada kham kobi kapkre sakluai si kadai no sakkanu su hainamda kham kobi wakre narai parikit nandan matan shoida agya thank you for your kind question.
We believe after such a long gap, of detached days and years from our own hometown, you enjoyed the authentic, the very natural, and our very own Khamba Thoibi, a small portion from which our Oza Uttam took out. It is a love story, not less than Romeo's Juliet, that they say so much about. We are proud to have that kind of love story in the form of epic and a short representation of monologue presented so beautifully. I thank forever Oza Uttam for the presentation. Thank you so much, Oza.
Mathangdi ngasigi thauram asigi mapung oiba saruk ama oiriba leipum phambagi thauram pangthok saragani ngasigi thauram asi pangthokpagi mathagi thauram asi pangthokpagi stage kitang sem sabada mateng pangpinaba akoigi members sing tokachari masida MCSC president ama oina taseng luchingba amagi thabak tobiriba ozani matanga speaker sing tokachage ahamada kapachage oza Kendrimayum Ravikanta oza asi Shillong da laiba. He is one of the senior most members of the Manipuri community residing in Shillong. Matanga kapachage oza Ashan Kasar. He is an important member of Manipur and he is a social activist.
Very thankful to you, sir, for coming all the way from Imphal for this auspicious occasion.
Mathangda kapachage oza Khuraijam Athauba oza su maruiba social
Thank you
activist.
so much, Oza, for gracing the occasion.
Mathangda kapachage Dr. Rosie Yumnam oza asi English and Foreign Language University ki professor ne aduga IEV amasuni Manipur ki art and culture ki matangda yamna toina ibu oza ne. Lepung phambagi thoram asi haudringaida stage da lekhan piriba special invitee dignitary meamu felicitate obagi tanja chulobjage ahanbada Oza Uttam bu kokachari akoigi MCS ki executive member Oza Uttam na akoigi president nasigi moderator obiriba Oza Monish pu Oza Monish Nitozambu isam sam khudol bi na felicitate obigani.
Big round of applause, everyone. Thank you so much, Oza.
Mathangda kapachage Oza Silaraba Oza Sila mathangda kaka pinaba nixing zari Oza Sila na nasigi speaker mo ibiriba Oza ikai kunna bazam machik sarbo Oza Ravikanta bu ikai kunna bu chagani
Satra mayam madagtagi student ama kata somda lapina ba ningsing jari.
Oza Ravikanta yamna maru oiba Manipuri community ki member amani. Mathangda kapachage Oza Vidya stage da lere Oza Vidya na Oza Ashan Kasar Oza Ashan Kasar bu felicitate obigani kapachage Oza Ashan Kasar lagi lakukan nasigi thoro basi gawi bigita manta. Mathangda kapachage Oza Shital Hobam Oza Shital Hobam MCS ki executive member ni Oza na nasigi speaker mo ibiriba Oza Rosida ikai kumna bagi oiba isam sama khudol mo bibigani.
Next, I call upon stage our MECS executive member, Oza Dipan Singh, to come up on stage to facilitate our honorable speaker, Oza Athauba.
Oza Dipan ngasigi speaker wabiriba oza athoba kudol macam bibigana ikai ko nabunsa gani agat sari oza athoba ngasigi thoramas da yawi mo haijaru bada harau ni yabiro bigita magta.
We are forever glad to have you, sir.
Makata ba program asi
Sida oina wakal chungselga iba ikuna thambiramba lengba yadaba akogi sokhatba yamna average oiba akogi Meitei society si Manipur si hena sokhatba labida ominasi si haijaraga nasigi ahamba speaker Oza Khetrimayu Ravikanta, one of the senior most Meitei resident in Ceylon, Oza si Manipur Imphal, Assam Thong Dagini, Ojika Sida settled Toro Lebini, Ozada, patriotism, Imatanga, Waikatan Tambinaba, Bodium da Ikok Mona, Ocean Jerry. Thank you.
Amamutang buena rumbo in fact, on behalf of the Manipuri diaspora in Ceylon, I welcome Mr. Assam and Mr. Athoba to Ceylon. Rangni. Once again, I welcome you, Mr. Assam and Mr. Athoba. Please forgive me to address you with your first name.
Si Umek dan dari beberapa Umek ni aina Manipuri lomda nang jabase maram dai maram ni kagi patriot yang adugumba wherever Umek ni aduna ipa ipusing imaleba ningshan ba wena ai mayam su asije yamna patriots wena gi wakhan thamoi punamak identity gi culture da su yamna patriotic oiba dumak pangtho haninge respectable MPs, forgettable day in the history of Manipur nation because the three prominent figures who played a dominant role in the political health of the Kingdom of Manipur and many with all the inclusiveness. Aduna, you depend to them. But I would like to request to the MECS and all the Manipur diaspora in other states of India to come together to have a conclave or seminar something at the earliest as possible. And let us, do the brainstorming before it is too late. Masida Toraga, Mapamiki, intellectual, Hypoyamsina, Manipuri, Karina Ono, Mashinsia, inclusive with Nagas and other tribes. Let us invite them. Hamidare Haraga, I put the roadmap on the Shemnaga, Manipura, Lehiwa, government, Aduga, I put the Sisosika, Sito, we are there. Pressure group in the Dalaga, I went to Totabataradi, I went to Totabataradi, and I have to go. After 10 years, done. Feel happy. After 10 years, my day tribe, my day community had I said, Masi, Adu, Yam, Namon, Tata, the Legani. Not only my day, even our brother indigenous people, Nagas. Adu, Masi, they come from the way. Any official, politician, whatever, academician, professor, let me get the book, Tadaraga, like when getting the Raga. I share what we plan of police about to talk to the night of the Messi, Yan, the Mulu about better dick, they sit up, Yan Parabolomic Sida, Imai Pahalamasi, Nixon to the Vedana, Masiki War on Zed, or Hayes, but I'm put the call of the dog. I quit. Jamina say, I or not from the Raga, lay on the game, Matamasida, I mean, I don't again. Thank you.
मैं से युम यौरे बको ड्यूटी थेंगे न होबे होबे चलकपदा आई हलकपगी वीडियो गा अमता नंबा ngamdre अदो हुसे युम यौरे थेंगे न इसे फंक्शन दो लोइबा फावसो यावरक्ट्रेबा अदो नुंगदि याम नुंगाइ को अदुमाइना हदि अदुमाइना युमगी हदि फंक्शन अमगा तौरागा यावरबदो वखंदा के हदुना अम थिना नुंगाइबा फावेबा हदि के हदुना हांगे फावदबा मा फावेबा अदो आई लोइबा बाउदि याम यावनिंगबने अदो यावबा नंगक्ट्रे हदि आइसे ड्यूटी अमुक चत्तोइनिनाबा अदुगी थेंग्रेन होबे होबे चले अदु मोय प्लाउ के हाइदी प्लाउ के कासु तवेबा अदु चाबा नंगद्रबनिना मोयने योमा पिबिरेबको अदो आई हुजिक चारगा लोइसलगा ड्यूटी चलनी वारे होबे होबे चलकपगे दुना हलकपदुसु वीडियो गा अमता नमद्रे नंबसु हाइदी थेंगदबा आइना वीडियो गा नमदना लेरदिको अदुगी दुम डाइरेक्ट हले युम योरे हुजि द प्लाउ द हंगदोगा येंगे कई हमदे हाउदु मालेको मोइना पिरकपा प्लाउदो हाइदी मसा याम फजैबा अदा हंगदोगा येंगे थमनादगा युमबिरे तो याम फजाना तौ हाब हाउनी याम हाउदो माले मसक्से याम फजै हाब साजु सारी फोंग सारी मैम अदुदे आई वीडियो से स्वाइदो लेसलगे आइसे थेंग्रेबको चाक चारागा ड्यूटी होबो चेलानी अदुदे बाय बाय मैम ngasi के स्वाइदो लेसनजरगे वीडियो से बाय।